What up, G's? I'm back with another video. As you can see in the thumbnail above, this is Take You Today.
You got it?
Rolling that and...
Hey, go ahead, spit it out, man. Go ahead, spit it out, bro.
No, I said kid. I like
Right,
him.
right. You
Oh
know?
man, the stutter's killing me here.
Well, gotta take it easy on that, dude.
Yeah.
Take You to Work Day Part 2, where I'm going to show you some nice areas that I've been to while on the job. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to try and edit this video to the best of my ability. Best. And yeah, what else? I just want to put this rundown at the starting of the video so you guys know what the hell you're about to watch. But yeah, it's really cold. The ice is melting now, so that's pretty good. The sun is coming out. Yep, I'm in the bushes, so come like a Jamaican, I swear. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I just think I should share some nice sceneries that I've seen while on the job, right? Yeah. Quick shot, cinematic.
No, my Mustang not get no color. Yeah, my Mustang not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yet it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yet it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again.
So yeah, that's basically it. It's the sun is coming out, the ice is melting, you know, everything looks really nice in this area, you know. But yeah, that's basically it. I think that's it for this video because I have a lot of video clips of nice areas while driving. The crazy part about driving, so but yeah, it's all bushes. This is really, it's cold. Holy shit. yes, with my channel, like I'm trying to upload as much as I can with my YouTube channel, but because of my work schedule, I don't get the time to upload stuff I like or videos I would like to do. So I have to improvise and use whatever I can just to get a good content. Well, just to get good content, you know. So yeah, this is pretty much boring, but I'm gonna try and edit this in a way where it's kind of entertaining, right? Yeah, it's all bushes. A long drive. A very long drive. I can't play music because I'm using the same phone. I'm using the same phone that I use to play music to record this video, so I'll just add some instrumental in the background when I'm editing this video. But yeah, it's not too bad.